How to force Gemini to always search the web. Here you learn how to do it in Gemini. So watch the end to know everything. And here inside Gemini, knowing that Gemini is the biggest AI, but it relies on AI training process in order to give the result. Here, in order to make it search the web, what you will do here is to click on settings and help here. Click on it. Now here, what you do now is to click on instruction for Gemini here. Now click on add here. Now here, paste this prompt here. This prompt, paste it here. Now here you can see the prompt. Now here on the down section in the prompt where it says prioritize source published within the last 6 months from today's date. Now here you can change it to this second prompt in order to get the latest information, but both to give you the latest information. This one give you from last month, while the other one give you the latest as soon as it drops on the internet. Here is the other one. And here is the other one here. You can see here it says updates information as soon as the web or internet updates, latest updates. And here you can see it. Here I will use this one. Now here click on submit after pasting it here and wait for the instruction to save. Now it have saved here. Now let's test it by clicking this new chart here. Now here let me ask you this question. It will answer only if it can access the web to get the latest information. Now here let me paste it here. Now here is the other question. The world's most valuable AI stock right now. Now here you can leave it on fast here, or you can leave it on thinking here, or you can change it to thinking here, or you can leave it, or you can change it to thinking or pro. Here let me use the pro, or anyone you like. Now click on send here. It can only answer this question if it's search the web to get the latest information. Now here is the information. Here you can see it also add the link to it. You can see here. Now in order to know if this is latest information, what you do now is to open a new tab here. Here I'm using Chrome. Click on AI mode here. Now here paste the information again in order to know if it is actually latest information from the web. Here let me paste it again. Now send it to search for it to search. The limit of this AI mode is that it doesn't have Canva, and also it doesn't code like Gemini. That's the limit of this Google AI mode. Here you can see the information here. Now let's check the Gemini own here. Now here is the Gemini own. You can see here exactly. You can see the information here exactly. You can see there is no difference. So it search the web in order to get this information. Now here, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now check out the playlist on the screen in order to know everything on Google AI 2 based on Gemini. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thanks.